Now, first of all, this entire padhai par politics is being done because the parda needs to be put on the activities of P. Vijayan's daughter, who has been caught with her hands in the cookie jar. And the income tax board has said how she has taken money for which she has not given any services, and it is a clear-cut case of corruption. So therefore, this diversion tactic is being adopted. But having said that, let me answer some specific questions of Vivek Srivastava. Question number one, Vivek Srivastava ji, nobody has removed the chapter on Gandhiji's assassination. But yes, a specific terminology was used which was discriminatory against an entire caste and community. Why should that be used? Secondly, look at the falsehood he peddles. He said the chapter on Mughals has been erased. No, it's there in theme 8 in the 12th standard textbook. But yes, if it is repetitive and the NCERT has taken a decision that owing to the pandemic they are going to remove some overlapping chapters, some chapters which are redundant, then why do you have a problem? Emergency part has also been removed. How is that an RSS agenda? Now let's come to the third aspect. Mopla genocide is a minor issue for Vivek Srivastava. Kyun bhai? If you want to teach 2002, Mopla genocide saw 10,000 Hindus being killed. Why not teach it? You eulogize the villain of Mopla genocide. And fourthly, about Mughals. Vivek ji, since you are such a ज्ञानी, if I ask you कि अकबर के दादा का नाम क्या है, you will tell me quickly, बाबर है. उसके बाप का नाम हुमायूं था, उसके दादा का नाम बाबर था. अब मैं आपसे एक सवाल पूछता हूं, प्रभु श्री राम के दादा का नाम क्या था? आप तो भारतीयता के बहुत ही निकट है ना. आपसे मैं पूछ रहा हूं, मुगलों का जो आक्रांता थे उनके बाप दादा का नाम आपको मुंह जबानी याद है. प्रभु श्री राम के दादा का नाम बता दो.
नहीं कितने, क्या सारे आक्रांता थे?
एंड आई होप यू विल से प्रभु श्री राम इज मोर कनेक्टेड विद इंडियन इथॉस देन मुगल.
थे नहीं पहले आप बताइए ना, क्या शाहजहां भी आक्रांता?
अच्छा, प्रभु श्री राम के दादा का नाम बता दो.
जहांगीर आक्रांता थे.
आप तो हिंदू है मान्यवर, मैं तो फिर भी मुसलमान.
शायद मतलब
आप गूगल मार लो, गूगल कर लो.
नहीं क्यों पढ़े?
आप गूगल कर लो.
देखिए
प्रभु श्री राम के दादा का नाम गूगल कर लो. भगवान श्री राम
गूगल नहीं करूंगा मैं,
दादा का नाम गूगल कर लो आप.